This is my website. My name is John Cole. So the top of my website is going to be memes. Here's an example of a meme. I'm going to be using a lot of these throughout my website. It says sarcasm is the ability to insult stupid people without them realizing it. So some things I'm going to use as content on my website, like I said, memes will be the main source of the entertainment. And it will be an entertainment-based website. Some content continued. I will use memes that spread throughout the web page and basically evenly have it so there's good content of memes throughout the page and also pages explaining memes and whatnot. The memes will obviously be appropriate, not inappropriate in nature. And I will get these memes via Google Images and other search engines such as that. So here again is some examples of the images I'll be using. These are all examples of memes. As you can see, we have political memes, pop culture memes, as well as just kind of just your run-of-the-mill regular types of memes. Here's another example of all of the kind of content I could use. I've used several of these already starting to create the website. So I will also use a content page. Um, or one of my content pages will also be a about the author page where I will talk about myself and why I decided to start the website, what I'm putting on the website, and why I'm fond of the memes and memes themselves. Um, so yeah. Some more content continued. I will also include a contact tab, so I can include submissions about fans for submissions from fans, and they can contact me if they have any issues with the website or if they have any possible improvements. I'll use my personal email as the contact information, as I think them getting to me on my personal email just right there will be the best way to keep a good website going and have it be just run the best way as possible. And that's what I plan on putting on my website.